Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. So just tap on the dialer, tap on the three bars icon and tap on contacts. Now we have to find the contact that we'd like to edit and then tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on it and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now we've got the picture and calling card, and even though I will not explain the calling card because I will focus on the picture, I highly recommend to apply the calling card. Just have fun with this section because you can use different background colors. You can apply the photo to the background of, I don't know, places that that resembles you about the person. A lot of things to customize. Highly recommend to do that. However, let me focus on the picture. So just tap on the circle in the left, and now we've been transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So here we can either open our own gallery and use our own photo, or we can immediately open the camera app just by tapping on this option and take photo of someone who's right in front of us. In Google Photos we've got our backup photos, so I'll just ignore it. Here, Monogram. Let's tap on this option. So after tapping on it, you can use one or two letters. It's up to you which one you'd like to use. You can change the background color. You can also change the font. We've got plenty of different options to choose from. Moreover, you can tap on this emoji option. Here again you can change the background color and change the emoji, of course. Just tap on this icon here, and now you can choose from the full list of available emojis. A lot of different categories, a lot of things that you can apply as the contact photo, actually. A lot of things. So just tap on the option. And moreover, here we've got the monochrome thing. So right now it is displayed as an emoji, but after tapping on this option it will be displayed more icon-like, which is also nice. And here we've got illustrations which are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you don't have the photo, you don't feel like you want to use Monogram, you can choose something from those options, which are really great. I highly recommend to check them. So let me pick maybe this doggy. And here, after tapping on the specific icon, you can choose from the preset. So we've got different colors, and you can crop the picture, not only the illustration but also your own photo, for example. So basically the whole idea of this option is that you can zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle here is responsible for it. So simply position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.